Hey guys, this is Steven Smith here with MarineMax in Houston, coming to you today with a quick walkthrough video of a brand new 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. This is a new model for this year. It's got a really cool design. As you can see, I'm up in the bow, which is overly spacious. It's got a walkthrough on the port side of the boat, which is a little different than traditional. At the bow, you've got a boarding ladder up front, so you could easily beach the boat and be able to get on and off. There's also a freshwater rinse down, so you can clean off your feet and stuff before you get on the boat. There's a cooler storage up front, there's extra cup holders, and a spot to mount a table up here as well. As we make our way back, you'll see that this windshield can close, and there's a door that can come out to prevent any wind from getting into the cockpit of the boat when you're underway. One of the really unique features about this boat, and something really cool about the design, was this head compartment here, which is oversized. That cushion right there pulls up and reveals the head underneath, but it's so big you can actually have like a little day bed there. People can go down and kind of get out of the sun and relax, things like that. As we make our way to the helm, you'll see we've got tilt steering here. We've got a nice Simrad touchscreen display which controls all your engine functions, your audio functions. Everything's all linked in there, Mercury. You've got a Fusion head unit here to do Bluetooth, USB, auxiliary, digital throttle controls. This boat's equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 Mercury that makes 300 horsepower. You can see you've got a flip-up bolster here for the captain, which also reveals these two rear-facing seats that pop up in the cockpit to turn this into a ginormous social area for lounging, people to hang out. You can sit and lay facing backwards when people are in the water. Tons of storage here. You've got a really deep storage compartment with storage for your table legs there, table bases. There's another removable igloo cooler that's under that seat there. As we make our way back, this seat here also comes up and turns this into a full rear-facing sun lounger at the back of the boat. So you can hang out when everybody's in the water. There's also a fold-down swim platform back there as well. Very family-friendly, social boat. Plenty of room for a lot of people. This is the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX here at MarineMax Houston. My name's Steven Smith. Come see us today.